Now, this is an example program of how to use two-dimensional arrays for addition of matrices. You have all studied matrices in mathematics. So, we will see how this addition is done. This is, see, for addition you need two arrays and for the result you need one array. So, we are declaring here three arrays of type integer. The maximum size I have given is 10 of 10, m and ij are 4 integer variables. So, first I have to define what is the dimension. Dimensions are how many rows and how many columns. So, 2 rows and 2 columns are there. So, first I am entering the first matrix. This we have already seen how to enter the values for a 2D array. So, because the dimensions I have mentioned here are m and n are the dimensions. So, till the row comes to m I am entering the values, till the column comes to n I am entering the values. So, 2 rows and 2 columns, that is what I have entered. So, 2 rows and 2 columns, the values are stored like this. This is when I is 0 and I is 1, j is 0 and j is 1. Next we have to enter the second matrix because we need two matrices for an addition. So, using the same m and n I am entering the values for matrix B. Now, how am I doing this addition of two matrices? What is the concept involved? We know that addition is very simple. The first row first column element should be added to the first row first column element. Second row second column element should be added to the second row second column element. Just the elements have to be added directly. So, this is the loop that does the work of adding. For I is equal to 0, I is less than m, that is till the row is complete and till the column is complete, j is equal to 0, j is less than n. This C of I comma j is the result matrix. So, this is where the added values are stored. So, A of first row first column is added to B of first row first column. A of first row second column added to B of first row second column. That is how this loop works. So, for j is equal to 0 is the inner loop, that will get executed first, then only we will move to the outer loop. So, first C will be 0 and 0, A will be 0 0, B will be 0 0. So, the 0 is represented by this 1 which is added to this and it is stored over here. Next 0 of 1, this 5 is added to this 8, it is stored over here. So, next the value of j will be incremented by 2. So, when it is incremented by 2, automatically it will come to the outer loop. So, now I will become 1, the condition is checked, it is less than 2. So, again it will come to the inner loop. So, I will be 1 and j will be 0. So, again I is 1 and j is 0, I is 1, j is 0, I is 1, j is 0. So, how will this be executed? I means the row. So, it comes to the first row, 0th column, second row first column, second row first column added to second row first column, then second row second column, second row second column added to the second row second column. So, that is how you get the values here, 1 plus 4 and 5 plus 8 and the matrix is added. So, when you are displaying it just for the line's sake, as we had seen in 3-dimensional array, you have to introduce this new line character. So, this is how a matrix is added using 2-dimensional arrays in C.